Good morning, good day. Namaskar. This is Engineer Suraj Singh speaking from Bharat, India for COVID-19 status in Bharat, India. नमस्कार, मैं सूरज सिंह भारत के स्टेटस की बात करता हूँ कोविड-19 की। ये फाइल आपके सामने, दिस फाइल बिफोर यू। सिग्नल्स की प्रॉब्लम कोई बात नहीं है, देखते हैं क्या होता है। Change from pre-live to pre-live again. Let us see if I can look at signals and pre-live video status change from preview to pre-live. If you second reaction means breaking again, well, let us see whether I get something or no. Let us see how it works. Pre-live, video status pre-live. Well, signals are there. Let me see how it works on. All this is file before you, my dear friends. जैसे मैं रोज आपको दिखाता हूँ स्टेटस है, आज का स्टेटस करंट स्टेटस है फाइल. You see this file. Again I am showing this file. This is serial number of day. This is report date. This is remark, and this is population indicative only, which is 130 crores I have taken. And this is percentage daily tests in relation to population, means what percent of tests are being conducted in relation to population. And this is update on tests, how many tests have been conducted. This is percentage total tests done over population. This is remaining population which is waiting for testing if there is any testing. And this is daily test number of daily tests conducted, and percentage daily tests or total tests, means ratio proportion of tests. And this is infection updates, how many infections are detected. And this is percentage of positive total tests done, and daily positive tests. And this is percentage or tested and death updates, and this is daily deaths. These are columns, and this is data analysis. This is our country, and this is remarks about how government is doing, and comparative study. And this is status of yesterday, which is reported today on Bharat website, government of the website status between 31/8/2020 to 27/11. ये स्टेटस है 31 अगस्त से 27/11 तक, कल तक का. कल जो चला गया कल उसका, कल 27/11. और ये एंट्रीज कुछ में एरर थी, वो थी, लेकिन आज का जो स्टेटस है, वर्स टुडे स्टेटस इज ऑन 28/11/2020 70 data entry. Since March is 273, it is already gone. You can say here March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November. These 273 days have gone, and this 273 here, मार्क में 273 में लिखा हुआ है, तो चले आ चुके हैं. और अब हमको देखना होगा कि आगे ये क्या चल रहा है. समझने की बात है, to understand very clearly. 130 crore population here, and this is 138,220,354. 13 crore 82 lakhs 20,354. 13 करोड़ 82 लाख 20,354 अब तक के टेस्ट हो चुके हैं भारत की जनता के, जो कि 10.82% है. सिर्फ ओनली 10.632%. इस टेस्ट 13 करोड़ 82 लाख टेस्ट हो चुके हैं 13.82 करोड़ पब्लिक के, 130 करोड़ में से आउट ऑफ 130 करोड़. दिस इज ओनली 10.632%, एंड रिमेनिंग पॉपुलेशन 89.36% required to be tested if entire government of India is interested. भारत सरकार अगर उसमें यानी भारत सरकार अगर चाहे तो 89.368% लोग, जो कि 116.18 116 crore people are going to be tested if government has a plan, but there is no indication here there's a plan. So we can say only 10.632 people have been tested. Others, whether will be tested or will not be tested, cannot be predicted today. हम नहीं कह सकते उनके टेस्ट होंगे कि नहीं होंगे. और ये यस्टरडेज टेस्ट जो हुए 11,57,605, 11,57,605 yesterday's statistics of test, number of people tested yesterday 11.57 लाख. और इसमें से टोटल जो केस अब तक हुए पॉजिटिव केस इन दिस कंट्री, टोटल पॉजिटिव केसेस ऑफ कोरोना COVID-19 exposures or positive detections 93.5 lakhs only, which is 93 लाख 51,000 अब तक हो चुके हैं गवर्नमेंट के रिकॉर्ड में. और यस्टरडे जो डिटेक्ट किए पॉजिटिव कल 27/11 को 41,322 41.322 or 41,322 people. And this is statistics of the updated death, which is 136,200, 1,36,200, 1,36,200, 136,200 ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स है। 273 चले गए और हम कह रहे हैं कि इतनी पब्लिक अभी टेस्ट होना बाकी है और वी नीड 1140 डेज 1140 दिन चाहिए बाकी लोगों के टेस्ट करने के लिए, अगर सही सलामत चल रहा है तब। If it is required to test everybody for complete work, 1140 days minimum are required, which is 3.12 days, 12 years. Now there's a question here, can we wait? Shall we wait? As every day I say, can we wait for all days since commencement? So there's a question mark for everybody. It is people of India to answer. These data are only for talk. These data cannot be relied upon, but because it is from government side, we have no other source except this one to get. And I say, nation has to stop allowing corona to make corona bomb to explode. Why I am saying corona bomb? Because of 1140 days, this 40 days, and 89.36% people waiting, which is 116.18 crores. So we have to be very careful here in talking. I'm saying corona bomb or COVID-19 bomb. It is not explosive bomb in that case, but it is a bomb in a way of disease. You know, disease shall spread to all people who have not been tested but maybe having COVID-19, and it will take 1140 days or 3.12 years to test them. It's a question mark. 1140 दिन, 3 साल, 3.12 वर्ष तक कौन जाने किसको क्या होगा, कोई नहीं कह सकता है। इसलिए अगर ये सब में लग चुका है कोरोना कोविड-19 तो किसी एक्सप्लोजन से कम नहीं है। इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं nation has to stop allowing COVID-19 to make COVID bomb to explode. COVID bomb to explode. COVID bomb to explode. Serious statement, very serious statement. Curve. You can see this curve in a blown up manner. You can see it in a blow up manner. I just blow it up and you see how it's moving. You see that? How it's moving? You can see yourself. आप खुद देख लीजिए क्या कह रही है curve, up down up down up down up down, and it's telling something that there is no control at all in government sector. No people, no, there's no one to control anything. This is what it's telling. अब थोड़ा स्टेट वाइज भी देख लेते हैं। स्टेट वाइज स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्या है? लेट अस सी यस्टरडेज स्टैटिस्टिक्स अबाउट ऑल स्टेट्स. It says Maharashtra 18.08 lakhs, Karnataka 8.81 lakhs, Andhra 8.66 lakhs, Tamil 7.776 lakhs, Kerala 5.877 lakhs, Delhi 5.567 lakhs, Uttar Pradesh 5.37 lakhs, West Bengal 4.74 lakhs, Odisha 3.17 lakhs, Telangana 2.68 lakhs, Rajasthan 2.6 lakhs, and Bihar 2.33 lakhs, Chhattisgarh 2.32 lakhs, Haryana 2.87 lakhs, Assam 2.12 lakhs, Gujarat 2.05 lakhs, Madhya Pradesh 2.02 lakhs, Punjab 1.5 lakhs, Jammu Kashmir 1.09 lakhs, Jharkhand 1.085 lakhs, Uttarakhand 73.527, Goa 47,491, Himachal Pradesh 38,327, Pondicherry 3685, Tripura 364, Manipur 24,514, Chandigarh 17,157, Arunachal 1623, Meghalaya 1163, Nagaland 1109, Ladakh 827, Sikkim 490, Andaman Nicobar 46 and Mizoram 380, Dadra Nagar 33 and Lakshadweep 0. This is from government data. This status regarding yesterday reported on today. COVID-19 Bharat. This is number of total cases. This is active cases. This is discharge cases. This is death cases. This is active ratio. This is discharge ratio. This is death ratio. Most important for us, this, which is telling how many so far reported. This you can see on government website. Go there and see. This data I am not interpreting anything because there is no meaning in interpreting this data only for sake of record by government. It doesn't give anything to me, so I just move on back to this file, this worksheet, which is saying report. Now question is, means what is solution? Again I am saying government should augment its resources. भारत सरकार को अपने जो भी उनके resources हैं उनको बढ़ाना होगा, नहीं तो उसका कोई रास्ता नहीं है. क्लियरली ये बता रहा है. देखिए, अगर हम इसको 3 महीने में करना चाहते हैं तो हमको 12 गुना रिजॉर्स बढ़ाने होंगे. अगर हम इसको 6 महीने में करना चाहते हैं तो हमको 6 गुना रिजॉर्स बढ़ाने होंगे. और हमको अगर इसको 9 मंथ्स में करना चाहते हैं तो 4 गुना रिजॉर्स बढ़ाने होंगे. और 1 वर्ष में करना चाहते हैं तो जो भी है, क्या कह सकते हैं हम इसको, 1 महीना हो गया, सॉरी 1 वर्ष में करना चाहते हैं तो 3 गुना रिजॉर्स बढ़ाने होंगे. अब ये डिसाइड गवर्नमेंट को करना है व्हाट एक्चुअली दे वांट. इफ दे वांट टू कीप दिस एज इट इज, सो लेट अस कीप वन एंड सेम थिंग 1 year or one month, or 1 month. If you want to make it in 2 months, then 18 times, depending on if you want to 6 months or 6 months and 6 times, whatever is there, it has to be done. Otherwise, this is, I should say maximum period should be 6 months or 3 months. You should say, but let's say 3 months is max. Can they increase resources by 12.5 times? That's the point here. It's not a miracle, but when you want to stop bombing, you have to do that. There is no other way. कोई रास्ता नहीं है. अगर आपको पब्लिक की सोचनी है या बस पैसे की सोचनी है, पब्लिक का मरना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, बीमारी लगना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, या रिसोर्सेज बढ़ाना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये पब्लिक जान सकती है, समझ सकती है. कि छोटे बच्चे नहीं हैं पब्लिक के लोग, वो समझ सकते हैं सब. और समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है आज की तारीख में. नहीं समझेंगे तो नुकसान होगा, अच्छी तरह से नुकसान होगा. पब्लिक का मरना कोई छोटी बात नहीं होती है, लेकिन पब्लिक मरेगी, अवश्य मरेगी अगर कोई देखभाल नहीं करने वाला है. उनकी सरकार की ड्यूटी सरकार को करनी है. सरकार नहीं करेगी तो कौन करेगा? सरकार की जगह पब्लिक करेगी. और पब्लिक कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है, दैट्स अ पॉइंट हियर. पब्लिक कर नहीं रही है, पब्लिक को सोच नहीं है. और ये फाइल आपके सामने. I remove to split unnecessarily as splitted, I think. Remove is split. By chance it has been splitted. So remove duplicate. Where is that? Filter formulas. Well, I by chance it happens that arrange all, zoom in, hide. Well, it's not a problem here. It's for you to see, and I think well, because there was some finding here. So old soft. Well, this is very important point I was discussing with you about what precaution government should take, whether they are interested in it or they are not interested. Point is that if they are not interested, nobody can say anything. Nobody can say anything if they are not interested. If they are interested, they can do if they wish. It is public that is suffering. It is common man that is suffering, and that shall suffer. That's the main point here. So practically, it's not possible to wait for 40 days. Not possible. It's improbable. Nobody can wait for so long a period. Yes, it can be few weeks or can be few months. It's possible 6 months, 3 months. Important data. This is important. 74. Row 74 is important for 70th entry. You can see that. And see this 10 crores, it's indicating about 10 crores according to calculation, number of population in 1275, which is percentage of this, and that is, must be, this is a projection, but it is not less than 30 crores, you can say, not less than that have been impacted upon. And if it remains continues, maybe more than half public affected by this. I can write here. It is to be seen if it's not done. Let us write here. Let's write here something so that people should know this effect. Explore this, and let's say when around more than 15% population is infected. So this is a big point here. Infected. Population is infected. So we can say this way. Where is that? Yeah. Oh no. It's not here. Sorry. So we can say we have to avoid something is there. We have to avoid this. We have to avoid 50. We have to avoid. It's a must to avoid explosion by adding resources. Let's say this, make it darker. This is a remark. Must avoid explosion by adding resources. That's conclusion, and government must care about this, or else it will be called a sin and failure of government if this doesn't work. That's a very important point. I think main points for this talk we covered. Points are that COVID is very critical now in our country. बहुत ही गंभीर अवस्था में कोविड-19 हमारे देश में, इसको सुधारना ही होगा, नहीं तो मरने के लिए या बीमार होने के लिए तैयार रहना होगा। ऐसा ना हो कि देश की आधी जनसंख्या कोविड का शिकार हो जाए, जो कि संभलने से बाहर की बात होगी। 130 करोड़ लोग आज जो कि लगता है 30 करोड़ 35 करोड़ तक हो सकता है शिकार हो चुके हों, लेकिन अगर यही बात 65 करोड़ हो जाए, 50 से